Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another day of updates on the major dollar pairs. As you can see, starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, we've got our break of structure with our swing low and our swing high. We're still looking at this point of liquidity to get taken before we can see any upside continuation. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is beginning to become increasingly unclear. As you can see, we've had our 4-hour break of structure here. So this is our swing high and this is our swing low. Here we failed to put in and close below this low, and therefore it looks like this high of liquidity would be the next target. Failing that, I'll also be looking at this high here, as these are relatively equal and we've still got this unfilled gap. I am still favoring another downside push. However, I'll be waiting for strong confirmation, as it does seem like the supply chain is going to fail. If we go on to Euro USD on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure up, followed by a break of structure down. So this is our swing high and this is our swing low. We were favoring longs up until this point of liquidity, as these highs don't look very clean. What I'll be looking for now on the lower time frame, like the 4-hour, is a, if we mark out our structure, we've had our 4-hour break over here. So this is our swing low and this is our swing high. If we draw in the fib retracement tool, we can see that we haven't yet retraced towards the 50%. Therefore, this point of liquidity over here could be the point where we look for that structure shift before seeing those upside continuations. As you can see though, the momentum is heavily in towards the downside, so I'll be waiting for clear structure forming on the lower time frame before entering any longs. If we go on to GU, it's rather similar. We've had a break of structure up on the daily time frame, so this is our swing low, this is our swing high. We've come down and we've liquidated one of the major points of liquidity within this overall impulse before then switching bullish. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see this switch bullish happened over here with a break of structure in towards the upside. We've since had another break of structure, and with the sell-off yesterday, we've now had a break of structure in towards the downside. However, I do believe that this could just be a liquidity grab, because we had equal lows here, we have equal lows here, and we also have equal lows here. So I am anticipating that any of these points could cause that next upside continuation push, as I am still favoring one downside push on the dollar to take out the daily point of liquidity.